Good morning. My name is Kyle McCall. You probably know me as Doug. I'm with the Corporate Services Business Excellence team. And what I'd like to do today is talk to you a little bit about Corporate Services Account Basics. It's a project that Rachel Bell and I are taking on together to help analyze how we do our business at the account level, what's the best way to do the business, and how to continually update and integrate technology and improve the way we provide our services. Today, as you look at this screen, the current picture on the left, which shows all of the cars crashing together, that's kind of what we look like today. In some cases, not all, but that's how we think about it. And what we're trying to do is bring everything together in the future with dashboards for operations, safety, relationships with clients and vendors and everybody else, sourcing, training, and growth, and the benefits of consistent reporting, identifying issues before they become an issue. Process focus and people focus at the same time and versus each other, time savings, leveraging technology to drive efficiency, which we all know drives down costs of running the business. So as we look at corporate services, what do we know? We know we're the best. Our corporate services segment is the best in the IFM business that Sodexo has to offer. We're experts in what we do and how we do it and how we deploy our services to our clients. Our account services take in a lot of things. If we look under facility services, we have planning and assessment, operations and maintenance, landscaping, grounds, housekeeping, custodial, security, and just many services that we operate both contractually and self-perform. We self-perform about 80% of our business. And the food services. We have a great offering with cafes, with retail brands, with catering and vending. And of course, today in the post-COVID world, we're doing things a little bit differently. Our people services with nutrition and wellness, travel and concierge, and our business services, company stores, receptions, mailroom, all kinds of soft services that we use to be very client and consumer centric, and enhancing our operational efficiency all the time, and nurturing the talent that we have within to anchor our corporate responsibility for the environment and for accountability with our clients. So we strive to be the best in the business, and you know what? We are. Now, how are we going to improve that? We're going to work together. Our corporate services made Sodexo a leader in bringing innovative solutions to our clients. Now we're going to bring innovative solutions to ourselves through standardization and modernization of how we do our business internally. We're led by a great executive leadership team involving Cheryl Karen as our executive vice president. We have Charles Thorndike as our senior vice president and the leader of the business excellence team. And we have Dave Kimball, our senior vice president for the accounts out in the field. And we're working together with them every day to try to make ourselves better, to reinvent where we need to reinvent, and to enhance our Sodexo offerings. Now, how are we going to do that? The account basics are really the heartbeat of the business. When we look at operational excellence, sales, and growing the business, that's important. Not only growing, but retaining the business. Operations and technology, environmental health and safety, very important. Finance and track what we're doing with the business and our account playbook. How do we manage the business day to day? Our client relationship management and metrics and analytics. All of these are part of the business that we need to try to bring together. Now, what Rachel and I have done is we have formed a rather large advisory group to help us on this. All the tools and many of the products are out there. We just need to bring them together, and we need to be able to create a flowing program so the account leadership and the account members understand what we're delivering and deliver consistency and sustainability every time. So the way we're going to do this, step one, we're building the program. We're identifying the leaders and holding a conference within 30 days so we can outline the program opportunities that we have before us. And we're going to outline the requirements. Our requirement is to meet with these advisors and subject matter experts and put together these account basic standards. We're going to build these deliverables, and we're going to prepare a timeline with full of tasks within 60 days. We're here to support the business. We want to bring this to you and coordinate and analyze and structure this appropriately and schedule the activities that we're going to be taking on. At the same time, we're going to launch a project that's going to be a killer project. I mean, this is going to be us getting the business in alignment. Isn't that exciting? Now, the timeline again, first we have to meet with the leads and identify the lead, hold these conferences, and we got to document the deliverables. What do we do today as a standard? How do we do it? Do we like the way we do it? Does it need to be changed? And these are the kinds of things that we're going to put together and build that plan. So you have to plan the work and work the plan and be able to put it all together. So we're going to schedule and launch a 90-day launch plan. And we're going to be bringing you more information between February the 15th and May the 15th of this year. Now, the project plan, build, and documentation is going to be built primarily on a Gantt schedule that will include deliverables, tasks, duration, start and end dates. And don't worry, we're going to put this all together for you, okay? The workstream leaders, these are our trusted advisors. These are the people that know the business that are going to help us pull this thing together. And we're going to have actions and raid logs, action tracker to keep up with issues. As I said, there are things we do well that we want to keep and we want to document them and we want to programatize them even so people can understand and follow the directions easily. And we also want to have a communication plan with meeting schedules, governance, and reporting. Our responsibility to you to guide this program. So what we're going to see is a timeline that we just reviewed. Between now and March 15th, we want to identify who the leads are and begin holding individual conferences. This is the gathering of knowledge and tools. And then the requirements, documentation, interview the subject matter experts to get even more information. What are we doing that's good? And what do we need to change? And deliverables build out. Take the existing programs that are in place, build them into a structured program that we can train and we can inculcate these into the accounts. And then the schedule build, and finally a project launch to completion. So the next step is the project build, and we're looking at 180 days to basics, to being able to get the account basics, grow the business, innovate and continuous improvement, and document all the basics. So with that, what I'd like to say is thank you for this opportunity. We look forward to working with you. Rachel Bell and myself will be contacting the subject matter experts and advisors over the next 30 to 60 days to begin to pull the program together. Remember, it's all there. We do it well. We just want to be able to have the structure, how to go from A to Z, and how to color and paint by number, and do it consistently and with sustainability. Thank you, and have a quality day at Sodexo.